Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In the last lesson, I explained 3 basic points of consonants: place, manner, and voice. Today, I'll teach you about fricative sounds, masatzon in Japanese. There are an awful lot of fricative sounds in the world, but you're in luck. Today, we'll look at just 4 of them. A fricative sound is a sound with a lot of noise. We make noise by making a tight channel. Make a circle with your fingers and blow through it. Then make it tight. Hear the difference? There are a few ways to make fricative sounds. In Japanese, we have the s and z sounds. Our tongue makes a tight channel, like a small tube, behind our teeth. S, z. In English, we also use our teeth to make fricatives. We have 4 dental sounds in English: th, v, th, and the. We make the f sound with our bottom lip and upper teeth. Fa, a fa, fa, a fa. It's voiceless, like a whisper. This is different from Japanese hu. Most Japanese speakers bring 2 lips together for hu. Hu, hu. The English sound uses the bottom lip and teeth. Try saying f the English way with Japanese words. Fukuoka, Fukuoka. Afureru, Afureru. Fuwa-fuwa, Fuwa-fuwa. Now, try English words. Friend, friend. Family, family. After, after. We make the v sound the same way, with our bottom lip and upper teeth. The sound is voiced, though. Va, a va, va, a va. Be careful. It's different from Japanese ba. In Japanese, ba usually uses 2 lips. Ba, ba. Va uses the bottom lip and upper teeth. Try saying v the English way in Japanese words. Bakayaro, bakayaro. Avunai, avunai. Now, try English words. View, view. Every, every. Have, have. Next, let's look at the tongue-teeth sounds. We make the th sound with our tongue and upper teeth. Tha, a tha, tha, a tha. Just like fa and sa, it's voiceless, like a whisper. Many students try to touch with the tongue tip. For a good sound, you should touch with your whole tongue, left, middle, and right. So we don't want ha, ha, ha. No. We want tha, tha, tha. You can hear this sound from some Japanese people. We call it shitatarazu. Sakamoto sensei. Sakamoto sensei. It's kind of funny because the word doesn't really fit. It's more like too much tongue. The tongue is too big. Try saying in Japanese words. Subarashi. Subarashi. Sasuga Asuka-san. Sasuga Asuka-san. Now, try English words. Think. Think. With. With. The voiced version of th is th. Again, touch your tongue across your teeth, but this time add voice. Tha. A tha. Tha. A tha. Try saying th in Japanese words. Zabuton. Zabuton. Kaze. Kaze. Now try English words. Mother. Mother. This. This. Let's try some phrases. What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? This berry is very fresh. This berry is very fresh. I think the dishes are in the sink. I think the dishes are in the sink. Another mother and father are with my brother. Another mother and father are with my brother. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. In the next lesson, I'll teach you about the post-alveolar consonants. Sh, zh, ch, and zh. They're a little different from Japanese and very tricky. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.